from a marketing perspective, a marketing leader should own a revenue number, direct source. So because you own a revenue number, that means that you have more more leeway in how you run your budget. The way that we do it at Lessonly, or at least the way we think about it, is that 75% of spend should go to generating revenue, direct source, right? Organic, search, direct, whatever. 25% of our budget, which includes headcount, goes towards brand building. And we, for all intents and purposes, we do not measure it. Marketing should be influencing 100% of a company, not just the top of funnel, right? So the only way that I can do that, the only way that I can fund my team to be able to do board games and a clothing line and a golden llama and a Lego llama is because we own a revenue number.